Hello students of class 11. This is our video for the chapter forest. So, forest is a large area of land thickly covered with trees, bushes. It is the domain of plants and vegetation. They grow naturally depending upon the temperature, moisture, soil, rainfall condition and land character. As these trees grow naturally without any help of the human being, it is called natural vegetation. In fact, natural vegetation follows climatic variables and natural vegetation constitute forest of a region. The total forest cover was once more than 60% of the total area. So previously it was 60%, but now it become 25%. Previously it was 60%, but now it become 25% because of clearance of for agriculture, settlement and industry. Forest resources. Forests are invaluable resources. Since time immemorial, forests have supplied food, materials for clothing, materials for shelter. Forests also supply medicinal herbs. Now, importance of forest. The importance of forest are immense. The importance are classified into two parts. There is the direct utility and indirect utility of forest. The direct utility of the forest includes the forest supplies hardwood for building purpose, constructions of bridges, railway, boats, etc. Forest provides softwood and pulp for paper industry, matchbox industry, cellulose industry, etc. Forests supply wide range of forest products for various industries in rubber, like turpentine. Forests provide firewood. Charcoal is a wood product. Before coal was widely used, it was used often in the form of charcoal. Forests provide various types of medicinal herbs like neem, tulsi, etc. Now the indirect utility. Forests exert some influence on climate. They prevent excessive evaporation from the barren land. The presence of the trees and forest helps indirectly to enrich the soil. Forests prevent soil erosion. The root of the trees hold the soil firmly and helps to make the soil to hold the root tightly. Rainwater wears away the forested land at a slower rate than exposed or bare. Moreover, forests retain some of the moisture. Then, forests supply oxygen for the living beings and forests check the drifting of the sand dunes. These are the importance of the forest. So, you should read the importance thoroughly. From these two pages, you should read the utilities of the forest properly. What are the direct utility of the forest and what are the indirect utilities of the forest? You should read the utilities of the forest thoroughly. Next, the classification of forest. Forests are classified into several types like the equatorial forest, tropical deciduous forest, Mediterranean forest, temperate deciduous forest, and coniferous forest. These are the different types of forest. First is the equatorial forest. Equatorial forest. The equatorial forest, from the name we can see that this forest is found in the equatorial region. The region between 0 to 5 degree north and south is in this region that this type of forest is found. This forest grow in the region where temperature is 27 degrees Celsius and rainfall is about 200 centimeter. Which places this type of forest are grown? This type of forest is grown in the Amazon basin of South America, in the Congo basin, Zard basin, etc. About 800 million hectares of land is covered by equatorial forest. Now, equatorial forests are called the evergreen forest. Why they are called evergreen? Because the trees never shed their leaves throughout the year they remain green. Okay, so they are called evergreen forests. The evergreen trees never shed their leaves throughout the year, they remain green. So they are called evergreen. Some of the important evergreen trees of the equatorial region are shal, teak, are mahogany, ebony, rosewood, ironwood, rubber, camphor. These are the important evergreen trees. Now, the characteristics of evergreen trees. The evergreen trees are also known as silva. They are broad-leaved and they have canopy to make the tree. The highest stratum, being the most widely adapted, hardly form a continuous layer. Hardwood trees are found. These trees are means the height of the tree is maximum 45 meters. These are the characteristics of the tree, and you should read the characteristics thoroughly. So, from the first part, what you will read from this forest, you will read that evergreen forest, what is location, next where it is found, temperature and rainfall condition, why they are called evergreen, characteristics and the name of the trees that are found in the evergreen forest. And next part is very important, that is why exploitation of the forest is not possible in the equatorial region. This I will discuss in the next video. Thank you.